Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2874th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, good evening. It is Sunday evening. This video is for trading on Sunday through Monday. It's actually Sunday afternoon. Please remember how risky trading can be. Risky. Never trade without protective stops and put them in first always. So, traders, what are we looking at? Well, so we've had this crazy chart, the NASDAQ daily bar with the double top. And then we called for the double top right there. It was the perfect time for the video, right? Double tops, reduced market drops, and boom, down we went. Boom. Now, the Omni did really well. Oscar's market navigational indicator, the Omni, did really well guiding us all the way down. Now, look what happens here on Friday on NASDAQ. The 200 bar moving average. It crashes right into it, turns around and puts in a big up day. Nice hold at the 200 bar moving average. Now, traders, please leave your comments below this video. As you know, I answer every one of your comments. I love the back and forth. The only way I can see if my students and Omniacs out there are learning is if you write back to me. So please leave your comments below. You know I'll get back to you on those. So, NASDAQ daily bar holds the 200 bar moving average. Very interesting hold. You know Wall Street is watching. I promise this is a big average for them. What else held, which is really interesting? Let me show you this one. Look what else held. Now, these two markets tend to run in the same direction. They're not always tied to the hip, but they run in the same direction. That is Bitcoin, or basically the crypto markets. Look what happened on Friday. Smashed down into the 200 bar moving average, and a big hold, and buyers come right back in. The Omni is bullish. The Omni's turned green. We've got Bitcoin holding the 200, NASDAQ holding the 200. I went, wow. Omni's green, everything's turning. What else is happening out there? There's got to be more. And I dug a little deeper this weekend, kids, and wait until I show this to you. Did you know that repetitive patterns and repetitive cycles are absolutely the cornerstones to accurate technical analysis and proper market forecasting going forward? So check this out. This is what I stumbled upon in the Dow Jones weekly chart, the Dow Jones Industrial Average weekly chart over this weekend. I stumbled upon this and sat here going, wow, seriously? I got to show this to everybody. So check this out, kids. The weekly chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, meaning every one of these bars is a full week's worth of trading. So each bar, red bar a week, red bar a week, green bar a week. So if you ask me, for sure, this is absolutely proven, and I've shown this to you in dozens and dozens of live seminars, more than that in live webinars, and thousands of my YouTube videos. I've proven to you that repetitive patterns, or repetitive cycles, if you will, are absolutely the cornerstones to accurate technical analysis and proper market price forecasting. Well, wait until you see this. This is a hint at price discovery for this coming week. Sunday through Friday. Check this out. Finds out I fell into or discovered a 12 to 13 bar cycle that is working perfectly in the Dow on the weekly. Check this out. It drops for 12 bars. Boom, 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 boom. On the 13th bar, the cycle is over and it starts to head back up. Look at that. And then I checked again. 13 bars. At the end of the cycle, the up bar starts right there. And the up move starts. Amazing, right? I said, this can't be happening. I checked again. From this high, 13 bars, then the up day starts. Boom. Wow, sick, right? I've got to show this to everyone. Well, now it's morphed into only 12 bars, but it's the same thing. 12 bars, the 13th bar, boom, the up move starts. Now we are here, top day. Guess what we have? 12 bars are in place. The up move should start right now as I show you this video this week. Interesting, right? Let's add a little something to that. Check this out. Throw this average on there and you fall over. Look where it hits the low. Every time you make a low on this dip, it hits that average And guess what else it hits? Right at the 12th to 13th bar, you hit the average again. Isn't that sick? So up we go. The Omni signal's in. The NASDAQ held the 200 bar moving average. Wall Street's watching that. The Bitcoin held the 200 bar moving average. Wall Street's watching that. I just showed you something nobody else is watching, but now you'll be watching that. And we've got a bullish Omni. So it looks like we are buying the dip, certainly at least for Monday, Sunday night through Monday, trading our U.S. indices. Traders, something interesting. If you want to work with me, I've got a 5-day live seminar happening here in Las Vegas, but it's in 17 days. We got to act quickly. You've got to go to omnibootcamp.com, omnibootcamp.com. Go right now, fill out your applications. If you want to learn how to do the Omni, learn Oscar's Market Navigational Indicator with me in my home office for 5 days and nights, go to Omni Bootcamp. Now let me show you something. This is absolutely real figures. I've got 2 separate entities that follow my Omni trades that I send out to people all over the world. And when you send out trades, you cannot retract them from emails and text and every other way that we send it, right? Goes over Discord, you cannot retract. I have 2 separate entities who follow every Omni trade I put out. We put out trades every day. They both calculate separately. No one says a word to me. They both figure out where the Omni won or lost for the month. They come together and check their figures. When they are correct, they come and give those figures to me. If you've been taking the Omni trades and following the Omni, or if you've ever learned how to do Oscar's Market Navigational Indicator for yourselves at OmniCamp, January we made over $10,000 trading one lot of the Omni. You know what we made in February? Over $19,500, real figures that you could have made following the Omni. If you need that for yourselves, go to Omni Bootcamp right now and fill out those applications. I'm only accepting 5 students maximum. And during this Omni Bootcamp, different than others, we're all going to go on a field trip to go see the Grateful Dead, the Dead & Company at the Sphere on Saturday night. This boot camp goes Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday here in my home office. I'll teach you the Omni. The Omni was absolutely killing it these last 2 months. It had a great year last year. It had a great last 10 years. You should learn this for yourselves. If you just want the recommendations and can't come out for the Omni, go to livewithoscar.com and just join the Platinum service. And these are the same trades I send to people all over the world. I know this will help you. I know OmniCamp will help you. Any of you sitting on the fence, believe me, OmniCamp helps so many people out there. Allow OmniCamp to help you. Before time runs out, we got 17 days left. I've got to make preparations for you. Go to omnibootcamp.com right now. Fill out those applications so I can help you become a much better trader. And hopefully you can make numbers like this for yourselves. Traders, remember, stop, sir, emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, I hope this repetitive pattern helps you. Have a great day trading. Fill out those OmniCamp applications, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.